In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export invoice history from Stripe. To get started, log into your Stripe dashboard. Make sure you're using the correct account before you begin, especially if you manage more than one business or workspace. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll be ready to find the invoice records you want to download. Next, look over to the left sidebar and click on Invoices. This will take you to the section where Stripe stores your invoice activity. Here, you'll be able to view past invoices and narrow down exactly what you need before exporting anything. Once you're on the Invoices page, use the available filters to select the invoices you want to export. For example, you can filter by date range, invoice status, or customer. This step is helpful if you only need a specific set of records instead of your entire invoice history. Taking a moment to apply the right filters can save time later when reviewing the file. After your invoices are filtered the way you want, click the Export button in the top right corner of the Invoices page. Stripe may then ask you to confirm a few export settings. If prompted, choose the date range or any other export options that match the data you want included. Be careful here, because these settings determine what will appear in your final file. When asked to choose a format, select CSV. This is usually the most practical option because CSV files are easy to open in spreadsheet programs and are useful for sorting, reporting, or sharing with your accounting workflow. Then click Export to generate the invoice history file. At this point, Stripe will begin preparing your export. In some cases, the file may be available right away. In others, you might need to wait a few moments while Stripe processes the request, especially if you're exporting a large amount of invoice data. Once the file is ready, download it and open the CSV file to review your invoice history. This is a good time to quickly scan the file and confirm that the dates, statuses, customers, and invoice details match what you expected from your filters. If something looks off, you can always return to the Invoices page, adjust the filters or export settings, and run the export again. That's all there is to it. You've successfully exported your invoice history from Stripe. Thanks for watching.